This video will demonstrate the proper application protocol for CORRIZON base. Follow this procedure for a simple, safe, and effective application. This is the equipment you'll need for a proper application of CORRIZON base. In case the equipment was previously used with organic solvents, rinse the equipment thoroughly with plenty of water until the stream is clear. Step 1. Perform a thorough inspection of your job site. Take special note of any excessive corrosion, rust, oil, and petroleum residues on the surface you intend to treat with CORRIZON base. If degreasing is required, apply a liberal amount of degreaser before pressure washing. Begin with and pay special attention to spots with high concentrations of oil and petroleum residues. After that, apply degreaser to the rest of the treated surface as usual. Step 2. After inspecting the surface again, it is critical to pressure wash it carefully before applying CORRIZON base. If the surface is heavily rusted or pre-painted, clean it thoroughly using a high-pressure water jet at least 500 bar and remove all loose particles. Step 3. Before application, use a low-speed power agitator with a maximum speed of 500 RPM to mix CORRIZON base thoroughly until it reaches a uniform consistency. Mix the bottle of pigment provided to you by Green ICPS until it has dissolved completely. Step 4. Before general application, pay special attention to the edges of your surface. CORRIZON base is a water-based product. Therefore, to obtain good corrosion protection, it is important to strip the surface edges of any undercoating. CORRIZON base can be used on a damp surface, but only if no pooling water is present. The wet layer of CORRIZON base should have a thickness of no more than 40 microns. Use a thickness gauge to check the thickness of the wet layer. Drying takes 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the surrounding humidity and ambient temperature. After completely drying, CORRIZON base can resist temperatures ranging between -30 to 200 degrees Celsius. Step 5. Any remaining CORRIZON base can be easily returned to the original container. Step 6. After the treated surface has dried for 24 hours, you may apply a top coat of your choice. The recommended storage temperature for CORRIZON base is 4 to 40 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the treated surface should range between 4 to 50 degrees Celsius. CORRIZON by Green ICPS, putting an end to corrosion.